Discover some quick and easy cleaning hacks that will help to make your homemaking a breeze. Number 1, be sure to use microfiber cloths for dusting. This one is a total game changer because instead of pushing the dust around, you can actually collect it in one go. In addition, you can also wet some reusable napkins and get a similar effect. Microfiber cloths have electrostatic properties that can hold on to dirt, dust, debris, and even some small particles, making dusting much faster and efficient. In addition, they also require less water and cleaning solution than other alternatives. Consider using a vacuum with attachments. Be sure to utilize the various attachments that come with your vacuum cleaner because they help to make cleaning super fast and efficient. These attachments are super helpful because they help you to clean different surface areas thoroughly and quickly without needing to switch between multiple cleaning tools, thus making cleaning go much faster. Next, be sure to clean as you go. Cleaning up small spills and clutters as soon as they happen can help to reduce the time you spend cleaning overall because instead of letting the things pile up, you get it done right away, and that usually takes less than 2 minutes. However, when we let these messes pile up or those spills harden, they take much more energy, time, and effort to clean. This also helps to reduce the buildup of these clutters and messes, causing the deep cleaning sessions we do later on to be less daunting and time consuming. Having a multi-surface cleaning solution is super efficient because it helps to reduce the time spent switching between different products. Not to mention, it also helps to save money because instead of buying 1,000 different cleaning solutions, you just have the 1 or 2. However, be super careful with materials such as wood, granite, and even marble. Be sure to follow the instructions for those specific cleaning surfaces, but overall, try to get a cleaner that helps you to get the more bang for your buck and the more use for your time. Alternatively, you can even make your own cleaning solutions. There are a ton of recipes out there that will tell you just what to do for the perfect cleaning solution. If you have a particularly hard stain doll, consider using vinegar and baking soda. This with a little bit of elbow grease is usually all it takes to get on those caked on messes and tough stains. I just recently moved, but before I had one of those porcelain sinks and it was super duper sensitive. Any little thing would cause it to stain, scratch, or whatever else, and I used to use a vinegar and baking soda solution on it. Using a microfiber cloth or a very gentle sponge was all it took to get that sink looking back spiffy. So if you have a tough stain, it doesn't hurt to try. Just be sure you try it in a small inconspicuous spot in case that particular solution doesn't work for your particular material. Combination of baking soda and vinegar causes a chemical reaction that helps to lift and dissolve stains, making scrubbing easier and faster. If you have a lint roller, be sure to use it to dust small surfaces such as lampshades, furniture, and other surfaces. Lint brushes help to quickly pick up small particles without spreading it around. This helps to save a lot of time on dusting. Using a squeegee after each shower helps to prevent soap scum and hard water buildup. This helps to make deep cleaning sessions less frequent and much faster. For your cabinets, be sure to line them for easy cleanup. In the event that something were to spill in those cabinets, if you do not have a liner, it can cause a big mess and a lot of time to clean up. However, when we simply line our cabinets, this helps to prevent much of the mess because most liners can be removed, wiped down, or even washed. In addition, consider using a Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susan helps to give easy access to some items stored in the back, reducing the need to take everything out and cleaning it. It also helps to make things simpler for organization purposes. If you use dryer sheets, consider using them on your baseboard. Dryer sheets repel dust and help to make future cleaning easier by reducing the static cling that attracts dust. The next time you find yourself needing to clean your blinds, be sure to use tongs and a microfiber cloth. Wrap microfiber cloths around some tongs and secure with a rubber band. This will make cleaning surprisingly easy as it cleans 2 sides at once. This will double the speed of cleaning your blinds. In order to reduce the time spent cleaning and make things much faster and easier, be sure to declutter. If you keep your home decluttered, there will be a lot less to clean. Be sure to declutter at least 15 minutes a day for maximum effect. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done. in that small amount of time. And if you find yourself super overwhelmed by the decision, do I love, want, or use this item? Simply ask yourself, can I live without this item? Surprisingly, most of the time, the answer is yes. And that helps to make decluttering a whole lot easier. Be sure that you are setting a timer for cleaning in order to make cleaning much faster. Sometimes we lose track of time and can spend much more time cleaning than we intended to. However, when you set these 15 to 20 minute timers, we're likely to hyper focus on the area and getting more done than without a timer. Not to mention, it makes it super fun because it feels like you're racing against the clock. And if things are fun, they will surely get done. But if you want even more homemaking hacks, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.